Guys, in this video I will show you why you need a 3D printer, why your friends need a 3D printer, and why your wife needs a 3D printer. You just need to watch this video until the very end. Okay, let's get started. A friend of mine asked me if I can help her. She got a game, and in the game there have been 6 of this, but just 4 of this. And she asked me if I can print her 2 of these. So let's go to Fusion 360 and I'll show you how I made them. Too fast? Okay, let's get back in time. Okay, first we want to draw a circle. We select C and draw a circle and enter 20 millimeters. Then we want to extrude it to 2 millimeters. Next we want to draw a rectangle. We want to have it 7.3 times 12. Now we need to draw 2 smaller rectangles that are 1 millimeter wide. We extrude them by 1 millimeter. We later extrude them back because we don't need them actually. They are just to help us to draw the rest of the part. We draw a rectangle that is 8 millimeter high. Okay, this one looks good. Then we need a line. We press L and the distance will be 1.9 millimeter. Next we press L and we draw one to the downside and a second one. More lines. Just some more lines. Always press L and draw some more lines. Yes, I like this. And more lines. It's easy like this. Okay, after we got all the lines we need, we have to extrude this. Okay, we press E and we select the surface we want to extrude. Then we select the surface we want to extrude it to. Okay, this looks perfect. So the first surface we extruded, we just don't need it, so we extrude it back. Okay, let's extrude the last part. Okay, next we want the edges to be more round, so we press F. And guys, don't forget to hit the like button, to subscribe and hit the bell button and all. And don't forget to share this video. And also check out my other videos for more interesting content. And if you like this content, you can also donate something. If you want to donate something, check out the video description. Okay, now let's convert it into STL file, so we can actually print it. One hour later, this is the result. How you like this? I hope it worked out very well. Say hello to Benjamin Blümchen. And as he has 2 feet, he needs 2 shoes. That's what my wife said. Hello. Say hello, guys. Okay, stop with this joking. Okay. Am I joke to you? I don't even know how this game is called, but I don't care. Guys, please leave a like. That is the least you can do, because I'm giving these videos to you for free. And please subscribe, hit the bell button and all. And also share this video. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Bye.